Welcome to the ultimate guide to unlocking secret characters in Sprunki. Get ready to dive into a magical world where surprises await. Unlocking secret characters can change your gameplay experience significantly. Each character comes with unique abilities that can enhance your adventures. To access the hidden character menus, navigate through the settings and find the mysterious locked doors waiting to be opened. Completing specific challenges is key. Follow these steps to ensure you meet all criteria to unlock new characters. Gathering the right items and currency can be a breeze. Here are some tips to help you load up your inventory. Explore various game modes, as each might lead you to discover hidden characters you didn't know existed. Watch out for in-game events. They're often your best chance to unlock some of the most elusive characters. Avoid these common pitfalls and save yourself frustration while trying to unlock secret characters. Here's a quick reference guide for you. Know each character's unlock criteria at your fingertips. Now you're equipped to unlock the secret characters in Sprunki. Dive in and explore all the fun possibilities.